A warm welcome you all in science class. Today we are going to see the topic colloid. So what is colloid? A heterogeneous mixture in which particles are uniformly spread throughout the solution is called colloid. It is also called a colloidal solution. The term colloid is sometimes used particularly for dispersed substance alone in the colloidal solution. But the term colloid suspension refers to the overall mixture. Although suspension and the colloid suspension solution both are different types of mixture, it appears to be the homogeneous but of its similar particle size than suspension, smaller particle size than suspension. It is also shows the Tyndall effect. Some common examples of colloids are listed below in the form of example. So let's see the example. Examples of colloid: gas and solid form foam. Example: sponge cake. Liquid and solid is a type of a gel. When it's mixed together, it will form cheese. Example is cheese. Solid and solid type: solid sol, it's a colored gemstone. Now gas and liquid mixed and it makes the foam, which is the example of shaving cream. So these all are a type of a colloid. When we mix gas and liquid, it is known as aerosol, which example is smoke. Then liquid and gas, it will also form the aerosol. The examples are fog. Now what are the properties of colloid? How can we distinguish the colloid from the suspension and the solution? A colloid is the heterogeneous mixture. Particles of colloids are not visible by naked eyes. In colloid, dispersed phase particles have a diameter between 1 to 100 nanometer approximately. They show the Tyndall effect. In colloids, dispersal particles do not settle down when left undisturbed. Colloids are the stable mixture. In colloids, dispersed phase and dispersion medium cannot be separated by filtration. In colloids, dispersed particles show Brownian movement. So in the next class we will see the difference between suspension and colloid and solution. So till here, thank you. Have a nice day.